When you think about deer, what comes to your mind, vulnerability or power? The spiritual meaning of deer might change your perception and your life. The deer is more than just an animal in the spiritual world. It is a powerful symbol, a mentor, and a teacher. Its symbolism touches on a wide range of topics, including kindness, intuition, and the deepest secrets of the natural world spirit. As we delve into the spiritual meaning of deer, we embark on a journey that extends beyond the physical forests they live in, heading into the forest of the spirit. 1. Grace and gentleness. The deer's movements are often seen as graceful and gentle. In many cultures, these creatures are considered to embody the very essence of gentleness and grace, teaching us to move through life with a calm and peaceful spirit. 2. Spiritual messenger. In several Native American beliefs, deer are considered messengers of the spirit world. They are revered as guides who carry messages from the spirit realm to the living, aiding in spiritual journeys and inner quests. 3. Regeneration and growth. Deer shed their antlers and regrow them, which is seen as a symbol of regeneration, rebirth, and spiritual growth. This cyclical process echoes the idea of renewal and is often associated with a believer's path of continuous self-improvement and enlightenment. 4. Intuition and sensitivity. Deer are highly sensitive and intuitive creatures, with keen senses that alert them to danger. According to the spiritual meaning of deer, they symbolize the ability to be vigilant and to pay attention to the subtle whispers within our own lives. 5. Purity and innocence. The deer's demeanor emits a sense of purity and innocence. In various religious and spiritual traditions, they are depicted alongside saints and deities, highlighting their association with virtue and untouched aspects of nature. 6. Fertility and creativity. The antlers of the deer, particularly the stag, are linked with fertility due to their phallic shape. In pagan traditions, deities associated with deer are often gods of fertility, tying the animal to creativity and the life force. 7. Gentle warrior. Despite their gentle nature, stags can be fierce in defense of their herd. This balance of gentleness with strength gives the deer the spiritual meaning of a gentle warrior, teaching us to stand our ground with composure. 8. Connection with nature. Deer are forest creatures, living in close harmony with their environment. Their presence and spirituality often symbolizes a deep connection with the forest, the earth, and the cycle of nature. 9. Inner peace and meditation. The deer's serene presence is akin to a meditative state. In spiritual practices, encountering a deer can be a prompt to embrace silence and seek moments of peace and meditation. 10. Pathfinding and direction. Deer tracks can serve as a guide through the wilderness. Spiritually, deer symbolizes the ability to find new paths and directions in life, navigating through the wild with intuition and grace. Your support means the world to me, so please remember to share, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell to stay connected and never miss out on our future videos.